In today's video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI to create a children's book from start to finish. We'll take a simple idea and turn it into a charming, age-appropriate story using a few carefully written prompts. So let's get started. Open your web browser. Search for Claude AI official website. Logged into your account. Once Claude loads, look at the left sidebar and click New Chat to begin with a clean conversation. Starting a new chat helps keep your instructions focused and makes it easier to develop one story without unrelated information from previous conversations. In the message box, clearly explain what you want to create. Tell Claude that you want to write a children's story and briefly describe your overall idea. Try to be specific about the type of story you have in mind. For example, you might want a funny bedtime story, an adventurous picture book, a friendship story, or an educational tale with an important lesson. Next, provide Claude with the key details that will shape your children's book. You can give it a clear prompt like this. Write a fun and imaginative children's story for kids aged 5 to 7. Main character, a brave little fox named Finn. Theme, learning the importance of friendship, sharing, and teamwork. Writing style, use simple but expressive language, short paragraphs, playful descriptions, and age-appropriate vocabulary. Dialogue, include lively and natural dialogue between the characters to make the story more entertaining. Story tone, make the story adventurous, funny, and engaging so children can easily follow along and stay interested. Ending, finish the story with a warm and positive lesson about friendship, sharing, and working together. This type of prompt gives Claude clear instructions about the age group, main character, theme, writing style, dialogue, tone, and ending. The more specific your instructions are, the easier it is for Claude to create a story that matches your vision. Once your prompt is ready, press enter and Claude will generate the story based on the details you provided. Wait while Claude is working. Here you go. When the draft appears, read through it carefully with your intended audience in mind. Check whether the vocabulary is suitable for the selected age group and whether the story moves at a comfortable pace. If the language is too complex, ask Claude to simplify it with shorter sentences and familiar words. If the story feels flat, add more dialogue, humor, or playful moments. You can also improve the pacing by strengthening the beginning, adding excitement to the middle, and expanding the ending. For a picture book format, ask Claude to add images, colors, and background. Wait while it's working. And here you go. You got an illustrated version of the storybooks. That can beautiful images, colorful background. From here, you can have a full view of the storybook. You can also experiment with different writing styles. For example, you might ask Claude to make the story playful and funny, gentle and comforting, imaginative and magical, or educational and inspiring. Changing the style can completely transform the feel of the same basic story idea. Once you're happy with the final version, you can use Claude to create additional material, such as a PDF of the storybook. I will ask provide PDF format. In this way you got a PDF format of the storybook. From here download it. With just a simple idea and a few well-written instructions, Claude AI can help you move from a blank page to a complete children's story. After a few rounds of editing and refinement, you can create a polished, engaging, and age-appropriate tale that is ready to turn into a picture book or share with young readers. Thank you for watching.